In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use labels in Jira. Labels in Jira are a simple but very useful way to organize your work. They let you tag issues with keywords so you can group related tasks, filter them more easily, and quickly spot work that belongs to a certain category. This is especially helpful when you want a lightweight way to classify issues without changing your project structure. To get started, open your Jira project and go to the list view. This is where you can see your issues in a more structured format, making it easier to select the item you want to update. If you have a lot of tasks in your project, the list view is a great place to work because it helps you scan through issues quickly. Once you're in the list view, select the work item you want to edit. This could be a task, bug, story, or any other issue type in your project. Clicking the issue will open its details so you can update its fields. Make sure you're choosing the correct item before adding a label, especially if your team uses labels for reporting or filtering later. After that, find the labels field in the issue details. In that field, type the label name you want to use. Labels are typically short, descriptive words or phrases that help identify the issue. For example, teams often use labels for features, priorities, departments, campaigns, or internal categories. Try to keep your naming consistent because labels work best when everyone on the team uses the same format. For instance, using one version of a label instead of multiple similar variations can make searching and filtering much cleaner. When you enter this label name, Jira will usually save it as part of the issue, and that label can then be reused on other issues as well. Over time, this makes it easier to create a shared tagging system across your project. Once the label is added, you can use it later to search for related issues, build filters, or simply keep your backlog more organized. That's all it takes to create and use labels in Jira. Open the list view, select the work item, and enter your label in the labels field. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference in how clearly your team tracks and manages work.